Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this super easy and delicious jalapeno bacon home fries. So why go to the diner when you can make it yourself? Guys, it is so easy to make. So the first thing you need to do would be to cut up your potatoes. So I'm just going to cut it like this. I'm not going to make it too big because I want it to cook really fast. So this is what it looks like. So after cutting up my potatoes, I'm just gonna go ahead and toss it in the microwave for about 5 to 7 minutes until it is cooked but not too mushy. This is way better than boiling it, okay? And it saves you so much time. So besides potatoes, you'll also need some bacon, some garlic, onions, you need some jalapenos, of course, and you'll need parsley. So now my potatoes are perfectly cooked just the way I wanted. It is cooked but not mushy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and season it with some paprika. So this is gonna give it some heat and also a beautiful color. I'm gonna add some seasoned salt and some black pepper and some regular salt. And after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a really good stir to make sure every piece of that potato gets the seasoning, because you want to make sure your potatoes are properly seasoned, okay? You don't want to end up with bland potatoes. So now I'm gonna head over to the stove and I'm gonna start by cooking my bacon. I'm gonna take my time here and render all that fat from the bacon, because that's what I'm gonna be using to cook my potatoes. Guys, I'm telling you, the flavor of the bacon and the jalapenos mixed with the potatoes, it is flavor town. So now that my bacon is cooked, I'm gonna take it off the pan and I'm gonna add some extra oil to that bacon fat, and I'm gonna use it to cook my potatoes. So I'm gonna spread out my potatoes and just let it cook for at least a minute or even 2 minutes, just so my potatoes get that beautiful golden crust. Then I'm gonna begin to turn it. Okay, so this is what it looks like, guys. I'm telling you, it looks so beautiful, and you want to have that crust because that is flavor. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions. I did not add my onions too early in the process because I don't want it to get burnt. So I've added my onions and I'm just gonna begin to stir my potatoes just to make sure every corner, every side of the potato gets as much of the browning as possible. Guys, remember that when it comes to sauteing, color is equal to flavor. So make sure you get as much color as possible. So now I'm adding some butter and some dry old rosemary that I found in my fridge because rosemary and potatoes are perfect. They are the perfect match. So my rosemary is in there and I'm just gonna keep stirring this to, just get all that color. And I'm using a cast iron skillet, which is pretty heavy. If not, I would have been, tossing the pan just to make sure. I don't know how to explain it, but you know what I mean. Just toss it in the pan. But the cast iron skillet is way too heavy, so I'm just going to be using my spatula, okay? So use a rubber spatula, guys. Do not use a metal spatula. It's going to break your potatoes apart. So now I'm going to head to add my garlic, my jalapenos, and I put my bacon back in the pan, and I'm going to cook this for just about 1 minute to give the garlic time to cook off that raw flavor. Guys, the garlic is smelling so good. It is so aromatic. And the jalapenos, oh my God, it is good. If you don't like heat, you can totally skip the jalapenos, but I love me some heat. So now I'm gonna head to season with some extra black pepper and some extra salt. Give this a final stir, and I'm telling you, my home fries are done. Look at all that bacon, guys. It is flavor town. So I'm finishing this up with my parsley. I'm gonna stir it up, and then, guys, I'm gonna make some egg, top it with some egg, and I'm gonna enjoy this. It is amazing. So this is a quick tip of how to make eggs, okay? I love me my runny sunny side up eggs. So with some oil in a pan, I'm gonna add my eggs to the pan, and I'm gonna add a splash of water, and I'm gonna cover it so I end up with perfectly cooked sunny side up eggs. That's just a side note, guys. I'm telling you, it's just a bonus to this video. So this is a guy's way to make your sunny side up egg. Later on, I'm gonna make a proper video and show you guys how it's done. But anyway, I have my home fries dished up, and I'm gonna top it with some extra bacon, because you can never have too much bacon. Some extra parsley and my beautiful eggs. So that's it, guys. Hope you love this video. Leave comments in the comment section down below and let me know what you think about this. And if there's a recipe you'd like to see me try, let me know in the comment section. So like this video, guys, share this video with your friends and your family. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, now would be the perfect time to do it. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video.